Top 5 Most Read Articles of Week 23, 2020 on Paints and Coatings Expert. Super water repellent materials are now durable enough for the real world. Super hydrophobic surfaces repel water like nothing else. This makes them extremely useful for antimicrobial coatings as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens cannot cling to their surfaces. However, super hydrophobic surfaces have one major flaw: they are extremely susceptible to cuts, scratches, or dents. If a super hydrophobic surface gets damaged, the damaged area can trap liquids, and the benefits of the coating are lost. Now, however, a collaboration between researchers in China and Finland has developed an armor-plated superhydrophobic surface, which can take repeated battering from sharp and blunt objects and still repel liquids with world record effectiveness. The research, which is the cover feature of this week's issue of Nature, has designed superhydrophobic surfaces that can be made out of metal, glass, or ceramic. The superhydrophobic properties of the surface come from nano-sized structures spread all over it. The trick is to pattern the surface of the material with a honeycomb-like structure of tiny inverted pyramids. The fragile water-repellent chemical is then coated on the inside the honeycomb. This prevents any liquid from sticking to the surface, and the fragile chemical coating is protected from damage by the pyramid's walls. GrapheneCA's breakthrough antimicrobial coatings to pass primary independent test. Graphene supplier and product manufacturer Nano-Graphene Incorporated announced its breakthrough antibacterial products have shown to be 99.9% effective in making various surfaces bacteria-proof, according to the ASTM E2180 testing protocol for determining antimicrobial activity of polymeric materials. GrapheneCA's Dr. Nano flooring and Dr. Metal product lines have been shown in an independent laboratory test to provide exceptional antimicrobial protection of different surfaces. The coatings demonstrated exceptional activity against gram-positive and gram-negative antibiotic-resistant bacteria that can cause severe respiratory infections, among other things. The proprietary formula in the graphene-improved water-based epoxy coatings blocks the metabolism of microorganisms by restricting cellular respiration and cell division on surfaces. Axalta to broaden commercial transportation offering with new additions to its rival Topcoat portfolio. Axalta, a leading global supplier of liquid and powder coatings, announced the launch of rival DTM Topcoat RV901 and RV902 value-oriented coating products. These additions to the rival portfolio broaden Axalta's commercial transportation offering to include an easy-to-apply, one-step topcoat formulated to deliver outstanding adhesion and flexibility in non-corrosive to mildly corrosive environments. Rival RV901 and RV902 DTM have been formulated to distribute a high-gloss, durable finish with excellent gloss retention. This DTM topcoat can be applied over properly prepared steel, weathered galvanized and aluminum surfaces, and is the ideal choice for chassis and trailers, or any application where a high-build DTM polyurethane is desired. SolarWindow innovation to bolster electricity-generating plastic. SolarWindow Technologies Incorporated, developer of transparent electricity-generating coatings for glass or plastics, is pleased to announce that recent initiatives to optimize its fabrication processes have resulted in favorable improvements to its laser patterning systems for our electricity-generating coatings on flexible plastics. Once optimized for industry, this advancement is expected to reduce process time, improve device performance, and reduce costs of SolarWindow electricity-generating plastic products. Nippon Paint to provide perfect interior air clean antibacterial and antivirus coating free of charge. Nippon Paint Holdings has decided to provide perfect interior air clean 1 antibacterial and antivirus interior paint free of charge to public facilities including some medical institutions and schools, mainly in areas where the novel coronavirus infection was widespread in Japan, in order to help alleviate the concerns about virus exposure among people who use public facilities and deliver safety and security to society. To allow for quick execution of painting work, Nippon Paint has provided perfect interior air clean to 10 buildings where the adoption of Nippon Paint's interior paint products has already been decided. To learn more, visit www.paintsandcoatingsexpert.com.